Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. Let's learn the different types of tree squirrel species names. Number 1. Allen squirrel. Number 2. Arizona gray squirrel. Number 3. Mexican gray squirrel. Number 4. Eastern gray squirrel. Number 5. Collie squirrel. Number 6. Steppe squirrel. Number 7. Japanese squirrel. Number 8. Calabrian black squirrel. Number 9. Mexican fox squirrel. Number 10. Fox squirrel. Number 11. Peters's squirrel. Number 12. Variegated squirrel. Number 13. Red squirrel. Number 14. Yucatan squirrel. Number 15. Abert squirrel. Number 16. Brazilian squirrel. Number 17. Red-tailed squirrel. Number 18. Bolivian squirrel. Number 19. Sciurus ingrammi. Number 20. Indian squirrel. Number 21. Guayaquil squirrel. Number 22. Caucasian squirrel. Number 23. Junin red squirrel. Number 24. Western gray squirrel. Number 25. Northern Amazon red squirrel. Number 26. Southern Amazon red squirrel. Number 27. Central American dwarf squirrel. Number 28. Amazon dwarf squirrel. Number 29. Banks's mountain squirrel. Number 30. Neotropical pygmy squirrel. Number 31. Tufted ground squirrel. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.